Hi, I'm just thinking about all the stuff we take for granted. Well, we used to take for granted. I think since COVID 19 kind of hit the population, we're really not taking much for granted at all. But the thing I'm thinking about is sunshine. I've got some this morning. It's up there somewhere. Hiding behind some clouds. Fact is, we've got sunshine, and I have my cold frame behind here. Well, one of three. I'm just going to show you this one for now. And the point, of course, is that we get sunshine for free, and you can capture all that solar energy and get into your garden a lot earlier this year if you use a cold frame. And what I do is I start my seeds in that greenhouse behind me right there, and I put a lot of them, especially the ones that will tolerate a little cold weather, into this cold frame. Here's my Swiss chard, for instance, and down here I've got more Swiss chard, and over there I've got some kale, some Russian kale, some dwarf blue kale. And what I'll do is I'll grow a lot of kale and I'll feed it to my chickens. I'm going to introduce you to my chicken tomorrow. So what's the point? The point is you put them in, basically you take an old window sash, you build a frame and you put it on a 15-degree angle, and you take that solar energy and you maximize it. You increase the heat that's generated by that solar energy by putting your plants in here, and on a nice warm day like we've got today, it's going to be plus 19, I prop it open like so, just to let the air circulate through it, keep the plants healthy, and not let them overheat because they can get too warm. Cold frames, a great way to get out there earlier, and come fall, stay out there later. A cold frame, by the way, is really a warm frame, which is that English language, once again, playing games with us. Mark Cullen and Ben Cullen, markcullen.com.